Welcome to your new science class, and today we are going to do little bit revision. Already we have lost little bit time due to some problems, digital problems. So all of you get ready with your pencil, eraser and the copy which you usually use for writing down your science work, that is class work. Okay, so everyone get ready with that one. And we are going to do today revisional part of matching first. Okay, so let us see. So the heading will be match the following. Here comes match the following in column A, and here comes column B. So the first one second, third, I hope everyone can see properly, fourth, and the fifth one. Yes, all of you can see up to 5, right? Sofa set, bed, computer, bucket and mug, and the last one, that is toaster. Toaster. So now I am going to write down the B part. So let us write down the B part. And the last one. So here comes our column A, sofa set, bed, computer, bucket, mug and toaster, right? Here comes kitchen, column B, kitchen, study room, bathroom, drawing room and bedroom. So here are some names of some things which are used in our house, and here are the names of different rooms in our house which are being used for different purpose, right? So now we will first do the line matching, and then after I will rub the line and I will show you. Okay, let us first do the number matching. Okay, so here it becomes digital. It was in numbers, right? Let it be in alphabetical order: A, B, C, D, E. So student, the first thing, if you are being told to do number matching, then the first thing you have to see whether column A is having numbers and column B is having numbers or not, because it is mandatory to give numbers for column A also and for column B also. Okay, so if we are doing the matching with numbers, then we need numbers on both the side. Okay, So let us first do the matching of numbers here. So I am just not doing the line matching just now. Okay, I am not doing the line matching just now. I am just showing you which number matches with which one alphabet. So the first one is sofa set. So where do we use our sofa set? In kitchen, in study room, in bathroom, in drawing room, or in bedroom? So who is going to tell me the answer? Let's see. Who is going to send me the answer first? First, 1D. Okay, already many of the students have done the matching. Okay, very good. Srijan, I hope your problem has been solved. So, Shamantak, Shami Prabhu, Siddharth. So many of you have sent me the screenshot. It's very nice. But over here I can see one or two writings are done by parents. So I would request parents, please help your child, but let them be self-dependent. So let them write on their own. Please let them write on their own. Okay? Let them write on their own. Sashmita is the first one to give the correct answer, that is 1D. I would request parents, please let your child write in his own handwriting. Maybe he will be little bit slow, he or she will be little bit slow, but he or she will have the practice to write. So it's 1D. So sofa set is being kept in drawing room. Sofa set is being kept in drawing room. Very good, Ashmita. Next, number 2, bed. Where do we keep our bed? We keep our bed in kitchen, bathroom, study room, or bedroom. Yes, Srijan, it's 2C. That means you are keeping your bed in the bathroom, right? Srijan? Yes. So, you have to type the alphabet properly. Okay, Srijan? Anurag, bed is being kept in bedroom. Next comes computer. So where do we keep our computer? We keep our computer in kitchen or in study room? Where do we keep our computer? Very good, Hanifa. Very good. Where do we keep our computer? We keep our computer in, yes, very nice. Otri has also completed in study room. Very good. So it will be matched with B. Computer is being kept in study room. Good. Very good. So I am receiving lots of answers. Very good, Sanstita. And Priyam has sent all the answers at a time. Very good. Bucket and mug has to be kept in bathroom. Yes, bucket and mug has to be kept in bathroom. And toaster, it's a instrument which helps us to, yes, bake the breads. So where do we keep it? Yes, Ashmita, very good. We keep it in the kitchen. So 1 B, 2 E, 3 B, 4 C, and 5 A. This was number matching. How to do number matching when on both the sides we have been given numbers. Now line matching, very simple. We all know it. So sofa set will be matched with drawing room, bed will be matched with bedroom, computer will be matched with study room, bucket and mug matched with bathroom, and toaster matched with kitchen. So these are the matchings and these are the things which are kept in these appropriate rooms, right? So let us go for the next part. Now it is fill in the blanks. It is fill in the blanks. So who is going to give the first answer? Houses made of mud and straw are called dash. Are called dash. Very good, Ashmita. Now you write down in your copy. So many are typing. Very good, Srijan. Very good, Priyam. Very good, Shyama Prabhu. Very good, Sanstita. Otri. Otri, please rectify the spelling of kacha, beta. One C will be there. Though it is a proper noun, still one C has to be included. Otherwise, your phonics is not getting proper over there. Okay? It becomes kuta. So, C has to be added. Yes. Very good, Atri. Now it is perfect. And Rudra Aditya, Shashmit, Hanifa, Tathagato. Hanifa and Tathagato. One A is needed after H. Kacha. C-H-A. Cha. Okay. So Tathagata also. Please add one A. Kacha. K-U-T-C-H-A. You can use double H-A. It's not a problem. It can be kacha. But A has to be added. Yes, Tathagata. Now it's the correct word. Okay. The pronunciation sets well. Here comes kacha house. Now let's go for the next one. Am I right? Yes, I knew it. I will get lots of correct answers, and Ashmita Shyama Prabhu has already sent their answers. So it's Pakka house. Very good. It's Pakka house. Very good, Siddharth. Very good, Srijan Atri. It's Pakka house. Sanstita, Pakka house I am. What do you mean by that one, beta? I am. Pakka house, okay. Priyam has done very nice. Sanstita. Okay. I think it's a typing mistake. You were too much in hurry to send it. No problem. And here is Shamuntak. Very good. So no problem. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes it happens. We are in too hurry. Okay. So let me see what is the problem going on over here. I would request all the parents, please turn off the cameras, and I think each and every camera is off, Rudraditya. Everyone's camera is over here. As far as I can see, everyone's camera is off over here. So you please check your internet. Okay? Okay. That's very nice. So students, I conclude my class here with these two fill in the blanks and matching, and we will be meeting next again on Monday. Till that time, enjoy, be fit, take care of your health, and don't go out without sanitizer, without mask. Okay? Bye bye.